Hi, I'm Carrie, Programming and Reference Librarian at Fort Lee Public Library. Welcome to our first cooking classes on YouTube. Today I have my niece Samantha.
Hi.
We're going to teach you how to make a piñata cake.
Yep.
It's a birthday cake with a special surprise in it. And actually Sam's mom's birthday is coming up, my sister-in-law, so this cake is going to be for her. She doesn't know that yet. So ingredients for piñata cake are, you could just use boxed cake mix and make things a lot easier. You'll also use a 10-ounce bag of tiny M&Ms. Those are the ones I prefer to use.
My favorites.
And also some frosting, which makes the cake look beautiful and also keeps it secure. I just want to make a note that if you're a kid watching this video and you want to bake this cake, make sure you have a grown-up helping you, since we're going to use the oven and things are going to get hot. But the first step is to follow the directions on your cake mix and mix it all up together, like Samantha's doing right now. Once the batter is mixed up, get a glass bowl. I'm using one by Pyrex. I use some pan baking spray with flour, but you could grease the pan any way you prefer with butter, however you like to do it. And you pour about half the bowl of batter into this bowl, and this is what's going to go into the oven.
I'm pouring this in the bowl, and then we just took the first half out, and it took us about 40 minutes to make. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon.
Okay, we've now baked the 2 parts of the cake, and we've given them time to cool. What's one way, Samantha, that you can get the cakes to cool faster?
So with it, taking them out will take longer than 30 minutes, but if you put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes, they'll be cold before you know it.
All right, That's a good tip. The next step is to put a hole in each of the cake, and that's where we're going to put the M&Ms. I use my ice cream scooper to do this, but you can also use a spoon. So I'm gonna get started with that here. Just using the ice cream scooper to put a hole into the cakes. And
here, I'll grab you the bowl.
We're gonna put it in a bowl because some
Like
people
that.
off camera want to eat this part of the cake.
Yes.
And we have one hole here.
You see?
Then we're gonna cut a hole in this one. It's breaking off a little bit, but we're gonna fix that with the frosting.
It looks really good. And I put that piece in the bowl, like so.
Okay. Oop,
And then
clean that up later.
I'll take it off camera.
Okay, now that we have made holes in the cake, we're going to take the M&Ms
And put them right on in.
and add them to the holes.
Can I have one?
No.
It's okay.
We have another bag over there
Yeah.
because people wanted to eat the M&Ms here.
Cough, cough. The people behind the camera.
And that's okay.
And then
So now you fill it up with your M&Ms. Some of them spill out, but that's okay. Then you take the other part of the cake
put it right on
and
top.
you stack it on.
And then the excess ones you can eat.
Yep. And next up, we're going to frost.
This is a frosting tool, and you can use also a spatula or a butter knife. And then, so we just took off the lid of our rainbow chip frosting, and so you're just gonna grab it, take a little bit, and put it everywhere, all the way around the cake, on the edges, like everywhere. And then, and then we'll see you right after we're done. This is the finished cake, and I just frosted and decorated it. I just sprinkled some M&Ms everywhere, and thank you.
We're gonna put film cutting into the cake so you can see how the M&Ms cut out. But first, I want to say thank you for watching our video today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you take any pictures of the piñata cake, you should upload them to Instagram and tag at Fort Lee Library so we can see them. And come back next month where Mars will teach you how to make fresh pasta with 3 ingredients. Thanks, have a good day.
Bye. All right, here we go. Whoa.